Pumunta na sa mga manok to si Mati. Nakadapo na nga eh. Ay. Tignan ko. Hindi naman ang anak ko eh. Hey. Mati, come here, nak. Oh, no, Mati, no. Come here, nak. Oh. Enough, Mati, because the chicken is asleep now. Come here now, baby. Ayaw talagang patigilan yung mga manok eh. Kahilig niya sa manok eh. Mahilig, hawakan niya lang yan. Mati. Falling down. Carefully. Let's go. Come back. Come back, baby. Oh. I'll go now. Come here. I'll go now. Mati, come here. Mati. Dito ang dalawa. Frog. No, don't get by Mati. Don't get Mati, ha? Aya, don't get. Mami, Mati. Sa Mama Mary Mati, oh. Go here. Yes, go here. Okay. Aya, no. Aya. Mati, no. Go there, baby. Oh, Aya, go there, baby. Go. Wait, Mati. Just stay here. Wait. No, Mati, chicken. Kalampong coming now. Hello, Mati. No, Mat, no. Mat.